This model kit review is of the Mig-27, the Flogger, and it's a 1/48 scale model by ESCI. And don't really have any other details there. So let's have a look inside. Check out our sprues here. Got a few loose pieces already. So this sprue here, we have fuel tanks, we have landing gear parts, wheel well covers. Here's additional landing gear parts here, and wheels, all very nicely molded. We do have some mold lines here, as you can see there. Those are easy to take care of. Here is our fuselage, lower fuselage with wheel wells. No real details there. Looks like those are supposed to be air brakes, perhaps. And wings, wing parts. So we do have some recessed and raised panel lines here, and these wings will rotate. Here is our top part of the fuselage with these are raised panel lines, no real rivet lines. And then here are the other parts of the wings. Here's our ejection seat with the other parts of the ejection seat there. And then we have our ventral fins, our stabilizer elevator, air intakes, and here's our tail. It goes together like that. Another air intake here, and fuel tanks. Here's our nose wheel well, and then we have our cockpit area, part of the fuselage. We have our weapons, bombs, the gun, some pylons. Here's our engine exhaust, our nose. No real detail on the inside there. And looks like some other parts. Here's our canopy. Let's have a look over here at our decals. And some details there. Instrument panel. And let's check out our instructions. So we start off with the cockpit, which really has minimal detail. It has an ejection seat, instrument panel, and control stick. Put the wings together. We have the landing gear. The wings go inside the fuselage, and then the nose goes on. And make sure to put a weight in there. We have the tail air intakes, as well as stabilizers going on. We have our weapons. Then all those additional parts, including the landing gear, go on to the fuselage. Canopy goes on, and then fuel tanks and weapons. Here's our painting and decal guide. And they're showing you with the swept wing. We do have some pictures. Sometimes a little hard to see the actual detail. So, not a lot of detail. The decals seem pretty good, but the wheel wells and cockpit, not too great.